My mentor would say, a man's greatest honor is to be alive to see other people genuinely lift up their voice to thank God for your life because of your impact on them. No one has truly lived unless other people are thankful to God for their existence. We often equate impact to only earth-quaking, gargantuan accomplishments, and we forget the many little things done by those who never make the headlines. Efforts that sum up to the miraculous big achievements that we all applaud. The question I have often asked is, what do people do that really makes the difference in other people's lives? Leading by example is the best way to impact others. When we engage in actions that are truly remarkable or beneficial, we become role models. People are often motivated to emulate behavior they see as admirable or successful. A leader who shows the way by his involvement is far better and more impactful than the one who only tells you what can be done. Before we continue, please press the like and subscribe buttons. You can also share the post with your friends. We will be very glad. Let's go on with our discussion. Genuine actions must align with our inner values. When your actions are rooted in authenticity and integrity, they have a stronger impact on others. People are more likely to be inspired by what feels true and meaningful rather than superficial or insincere. Leonidas in the Greek mythology and Gideon in the Bible both led 300 men in conquest against armies many times their size because they had an honor code that hinged on authenticity and integrity. Everything we do has the potential for positive change. When you undertake something wonderful, whether it's a charitable project, innovative idea, or a personal achievement, it not only benefits those directly involved, but also sets a standard for others to aspire to. When people see others achieving greatness or making a significant impact, it can elevate their own standards and aspirations. This can create a culture of excellence where people are motivated to strive for higher goals and contribute positively to their communities or fields. This is a ripple effect. Like, comment, share with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more enriching content. I will see you again. Thank you.